morning, everyone. My name is Hans Lester Bermejo, and I am a BPE student. Today, I am here to present a concise summary of my research, which is the impact of smartphone use on the academic performance and well-being of bachelor physical education students at CPAC. So, first we have the statement of the problem. Smartphone use are prevalent, offering incredibly benefits, but excessive use poses challenges. Many students struggle to balance academic and recreational smartphone use, so leading to procrastination and lower grades and for mental health. So the study aimed to understand this relationship specifically within the CPAC BPE student population. So next we have here the methodology. We employed a quantitative correlation design surveying 15 BPE students about their smartphone habits. So we also gathered data and from the university records. So and additional smartphones use leading data from BPE records. From there also they gather data and GFA data from university records, and also will use well-being surveys to assess health, sleep quality, and also their stress levels. So the qualitative insights were gained through a follow-up interviews with the 5 students. So smartphone use, our key findings here, and reveal that students spent on average over hours within 4 hours daily on non-academic smartphone activities. So interestingly, academic smartphones use shown a positive correlation with higher GPAs, so suggesting that responsible digital usage can enhance learning. So next we have here the well-being naman. In the well-being, late night smartphone use is strongly correlated with a poor sleep and increased stress. This highlights the crucial role of mindful smartphone usage in maintaining well-being. And also we observed notable gender differences in smartphone habits, warranting further investigation. So for conclusion and recommendation, excessive non-academic smartphone use negatively impacts both academic performance and well-being. So conversely, balanced and purposeful academic smartphone use can be beneficial. So we can recommend workshops on the time management and responsible digital habits. So along with digital literacy, programs promoting a productive smartphone use within BPE curriculum, encouraging the use of educational app can further enhance learning and well-being. So thank you for listening. I hope that with God's help, I will pass this subject.